How would you feel if I told you the reason intermittent fasting works so well isn't just about calories? It's your gut biology rewiring itself. Science now shows fasting can change your gut microbiome in ways that help your body burn fat faster and improve metabolic health. If you want real results, watch this video till the end. And if you want more science-based health insights, subscribe now before you miss something that could change your life. Hi, I'm Dr. Khan. I'm an MBBS doctor, and I've done my master's in public health from London. With years of experience in radiology, I've seen how the body's systems work together in ways most people don't understand. Most people think intermittent fasting works because it cuts calories. But what if the real reason your body responds so powerfully goes far deeper, into your gut? Research shows intermittent fasting changes the composition of your gut microbiota. In human studies, fasting interventions were linked to greater microbial diversity and shifts in bacteria associated with improved metabolism and health markers. This matters because your gut bacteria produce metabolites that affect everything from inflammation to insulin sensitivity. When fasting alters the microbiome, it influences how your body processes nutrients. What if I told you your weight is not controlled by your willpower, but by bacteria inside your gut? Some of these bacteria actually want you to skip breakfast. If you care about your weight, bloating, or energy, stay with me. This could change how you eat forever. Subscribe now. Most people miss this and never fix the real problem. Most people think weight loss is about calories. But what if two people eat the same food and only one gains weight? It comes down to their gut bacteria. Scientists proved this in a shocking experiment. They took gut bacteria from a lean mouse and gave it to an obese mouse. Same food, no exercise change. The obese mouse started losing weight. So the real question is, what controls these bacteria? And why do they sometimes push you to gain weight instead of lose it? One powerful factor is when you eat, not just what you eat. This is where fasting changes everything. Most people think fasting only burns fat. Yes, intermittent fasting influences how your intestines absorb fats. Research suggests fasting alters gut microbial activity in ways that reduce lipid absorption and improve energy metabolism. When the gut microbiome is optimized through fasting, your body may burn stored fat more efficiently instead of storing it. But inside your gut, something else is happening that almost no one talks about. Your gut activates a cleaning system. It's called the migrating motor complex. This system works like an internal cleaner. But here's the problem. Most people never let it turn on. Every time you snack, you shut it off. Even healthy snacks. So what happens when this cleaning system stays off? The answer explains your bloating, brain fog, and inflammation. Bacteria start traveling up and building up in the small intestine instead of staying in the large intestine. This leads to gut imbalance and symptoms like gas and discomfort. But not all bacteria are bad. One specific bacteria can actually protect your body. It's called Akkermansia. This bacteria strengthens your gut lining and keeps toxins out. Now here's the surprising part. What makes this good bacteria grow faster? Fasting. When you stop eating constantly, this bacteria becomes stronger. It improves your gut barrier and reduces inflammation. Timing matters more than you think. Your gut bacteria follow a daily rhythm. They have a biological clock. Eating late at night confuses them. And this confusion leads to bigger problems. Even if your diet looks healthy, it can lead to weight gain and insulin resistance. Same food, different timing, different result. This explains why people often see better weight control when they finish eating earlier and allow long fasting windows. Let's go back to that experiment. Why did the obese mouse lose weight without changing food? Because the microbiome drives metabolism. It is not just a passenger, it is in control. Fasting reshapes this entire system. But how fast does this change happen? In as little as 30 days, your gut bacteria can shift toward a healthier balance. Human fasting models like Ramadan fasting showed significant increases in Akkermansia mucinifila and Bacteroides fragilis after extended daily fasting periods. More diversity, better metabolism, less inflammation. So what should you actually do? Start simple. Give your gut time to rest. Try a 12-hour gap between dinner and breakfast. Let your body clean itself. Drink water, tea, or black coffee. Next time your stomach growls, don't rush to eat. That sound is your body doing its job. If you want to read the scientific papers I referenced, they are linked in the description below. They explain how intermittent fasting affects your gut microbiome, metabolism, and overall health. Fasting is just one piece. There are other triggers affecting your gut that most people ignore. If you want the full breakdown, watch my videos on GutSignals. And tell me, have you ever skipped a meal and felt less bloated after? Let's discuss this in the comments.